G'day guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just at my house now. Just about to ride down to the creek. See you when I'm down there then. G'day, just down the creek now. She's actually pretty full still. Higher than it normally is and clear too. I'll show you. That big log across the river down there is where we get across if we don't want our feet to get wet. Yeah, I bought myself a chest mount, so you would probably be on that instead of my helmet now. And and I got no helmet. Oh, that's pretty cool. Apart from that, I'll either show you the bridge or see when I'm riding home and at home. Bye. On top of the bridge now. You can see all those rocks down there is what me and my brothers and my friends have been dropping in. There's a few fish. There's my bike. But apart from that, I'll see when I'm riding home because there's a lot of cars on the road right now. And there's a few lures up there. Don't know if you can see, but bye. Riding home. See you when I'm inside. Just joking. G'day guys, just at home now. Just about to edit that video for you guys. And tell me how that creek looked. Remember to like and subscribe and comment. But see you on my next video.